guys, we are back off to Mallory Park, going with someone from work, and yeah, it just happened to be free this week, so it's a nice sunny day. We're going back there. I've been forced to go into advanced group, so God knows how that's going to go. If there's a crash, hopefully I get it on fucking camera. And yeah, so really looking forward to it. Should be a good day. It's nice and sunny. We'll see if we can improve upon last time. Now I know the track a bit better, it should be a little easier from the start. And yeah, just gonna go out there, have some fun. If it's too quick for me, I'll go down. I've got no pride. I'll go down if I think I'm too slow, especially with the bike. I think it's I might struggle with the 170 brakes down the straight coming into the first corner, but it's not a massive power circuit, so I might actually be okay. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is the inbound trip now in the morning. As per, I'm a little bit late, and yeah, we should be getting there for around 8:30, I think. So yeah, check in then. Bye.
So this was actually filmed back in summer 2023. So yeah, do not be fooled into thinking that this is what a February day in the UK looks like, because that would be incorrect. It's very cold, wet, miserable, and anything but this glorious blue day that you're seeing at the track here. So sorry for the deception. This is the lap of the high side, so we're coming in here to the chicane. This is basically probably the first time I tried it, and the tyre was wearing out. The first time I tried to hold it wide open for this corner, and it was just a little bit too much at the lean, and it just let the rear go. There was a poo-poo moment, there was a moment where some poo-poo came out. It did go back in, but most importantly it came out. And yeah, I think from this point onwards throughout the day I was just a little bit more cautious in my riding. So realistically my times didn't get any better than from one of the first morning sessions of a 1 minute 2 seconds, so sort of stagnated at that, unfortunately. But yeah, I just didn't want to trash the bike. It is my road bike, this, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get a track bike, and stay tuned for more of that.
Hello. Right guys, there she is. Girl's doing well. Tyres are fucking shot. They need to be changed, the rear especially. Had a little high side that you'll see earlier on, and yeah, definitely a bit slow for advance, but it's not too bad. It's not noticeable that it's dangerous. So getting quite a few clear runs, doing sort of 103s on average versus the 107s I was doing last time. Here with Jason, fucking nude, and this is his bike. CBR 1000 2008 track bike, got slicks on it, got an exhaust, got a quick shifter, got some slide bobbins and some GB race covers. He had a load of brake fade, so he's just bled the brakes, and yeah, it's feeling better but still fading a little bit. So not sure what he's going to do there, but don't really care. And yeah, beautiful day, can't complain at all. Apart from that little high side, shat myself a little bit. It's been a really good day. I think that's my little pre-warning. I've toned it down a little bit now. It's my little sort of, yeah, warning to just play it a little bit safe. Maybe I need to change the tyres, or maybe I'm just too good. Who knows? But yeah, definitely could do with a fresh rear tyre, I think. So get an R11 on there or something, so I can get a bit more power down when I'm cranked over, baby.
Yeah, I mean, you know, my tyres are cold. I've just come onto the track and he's got about 1,500,000 more horsepower than me. What do you expect, okay? I'm slow, all right? Leave it alone. Yeah, see you later, mate. Goodbye. Au revoir. Catch you in the next junction, yeah? This would appear to be one of those moments where I've run out of what little talent I have.
Good? Yeah, really good. Mine's actually a bit better. I've got a good shot of you coming round me in the first corner. I just come out the pit.
Yeah, no, I saw you. I was like, yeah, I got to get around the outside of it.
So that should be a good little angle.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yeah, I hope you like the video, guys. So it was a bit of a brief one, but stay tuned because there's some more videos coming of the new track bike at Cadwell Park. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and subscribe, like, do all that stuff if you want to see more of this content and get notified when we release that Jigsaw video.